Over the past few days, I've been involved in conference calls with attorneys general from across the nation, where we've been talking about the process about bringing legal action against the federal government because of the health care bill that was passed by the House last night. Last night, we had another conference call with these attorneys general, and we agreed at that time that we would be filing litigation the moment that the President signs the bill into law. We're prepared to move forward with this. We anticipate the lawsuit will be filed tomorrow on Tuesday, assuming the bill is signed at that time. The lawsuit will assert a variety of different legal challenges. One is focused on the individual mandate. This is an unprecedented mandate where Congress is going to be requiring Americans to purchase health care insurance or pay a penalty or fine. Never before has a court upheld a requirement that individuals must make a purchase of a good or service ordered by Congress. A second aspect of our lawsuit is going to be the coercion by states forcing their employees to have to fulfill the obligations of a federal mandate. In this case, forcing state employees to take the action necessary to fulfill the goals of the health care plan. A third aspect of the lawsuit concerns the extreme burden that the legislation puts on the state of Texas with regard to the expansion of the entitlements. The numbers are difficult to nail down at this time, but I have seen some suggestions indicating that the state of Texas may have to shoulder the burden of about $20 billion in additional costs for Medicaid over a period of 10 years. And that brings up a fourth issue, and that is the way in which this lawsuit forces states to deal with already burdened budgets. States, as opposed to the federal government, must deal with balanced budgets. By forcing Texans to spend $20 billion more in its Medicaid-based programs and in these healthcare-based programs, it means either A, we're not going to be able to take care of other aspects of public safety, education, issues that are critically important to our fellow Texans, or B, we're not going to be able to fulfill the goals and the mandates established by the federal government in this new health care proposal. And a fifth thing in the lawsuit concerns what we believe to be an unconstitutional enforcement of a taxation with regard to the tax on every single person who doesn't go out and buy the health care insurance. So these are the claims that we will be asserting. Very important to understand that we're in the early stages of this lawsuit process. We're still today and tomorrow working on finalizing the aspects of what the lawsuit will say. We anticipate after the lawsuit is filed that we will have to amend it again to add additional information and maybe even subtract some information as we learn more about what the bill requires.